How would you like to get paid $50, $30, $40, or even $150 up to $500 for each customer you refer? You just need a device with an internet connection. Yes, that's because we don't need to use any additional software or tools for today's method. You don't need any technical skill, you don't need to invest any money, and you can do that from anywhere in the world. Let me know where you're watching from in the comment section. So I'd say watch this video to the end, then apply that yourself, and you don't need to thank me later. But make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel with the notification bell set to all, so you won't miss. So the platform that we're gonna be using is Fiverr Affiliates. It's a program of Fiverr, and Fiverr is a marketplace where people can buy and sell different digital services. The main aim of the Fiverr Affiliates program is to get traffic to the Fiverr website and its services. And that's what we're gonna be doing in this video, and for sending each customer we'll make money. Most people are using this method and making a decent amount of money every single day. But also most people are doing that in the wrong way, and making no money at the end of the day. So I'll show you how you can target completely free and targeted traffic that has the potential to convert them into leads and make you a decent amount of money. So first you want to click this button, Join Now. Then just fill out this form by entering your first name and last name. Enter your email address here, then set a username, set a password. Confirm that password. Then choose the account type to private, choose here No. Then choose your country here, and click on Next. So here you want to choose some of these promotional methods, it doesn't matter what you choose here. Then agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy, and just hit this Register Now button. So once you log into your account, then this is how you'll see the dashboard. They recently upgraded their dashboard and cleaned it up to make it easier to navigate. If you click here Commission Plan, then you can see how much money you can make for promoting different categories of services. So under the Fiverr CPA plan, these are all is a one-time payment, which means you'll get a one-time payment for bringing each customer. But I recommend you go with the Fiverr Hybrid or Fiverr Marketplace plan, where you can make a 10% commission for each deposit made by the buyer for the next 12 months. They have a $500 CPA cap, which means that you can earn up to $500 in commission for each referred customer. You'll also make a 25% commission for the first-time deposit revenue share CPA. So let me show you how you can grab your CPA link. You want to click here on Marketing Tools, then click on Default and Deep Links. So as I told you, if you go with the Fiverr Marketplace plan, then you'll earn a percentage of each purchase your buyers make for the next 12 months. So copy the link by clicking this copy button, and if you visit the link on a new window, then you can see where it will send the visitor. Or if you just want to make a one-time commission from $15 to $150, then just go with the Fiverr CPA or Fiverr Pro. If you think the buyer can spend more money on Fiverr, then just promote the Pro service. So once you get your CPA link, the next step is to send traffic. And I'm going to show you the simplest and easiest laser-targeted traffic, which you can use to promote right after watching this video. But if you haven't already liked this video, go ahead guys and drop a simple. So there are a few different categories we're going to pick for this marketing strategy. We're not going to promote one single service to make one single commission. We'll promote multiple categories of services and make multiple commissions at the same time. So we're going to pick the script writing service, which is under the writing and translation category. Then we'll pick the voiceover service, which is under the music and audio category. And then we'll pick the video editing service under the video and animation category. Then we'll pick thumbnail design under the graphics and design category. And the last service I will add is the video marketing service under the digital marketing category. So you can click on the category and pick the service you like. Or you can search here the keywords, and it'll show you all the services based on the keyword. So you want to click on a gig first, then you want to see does this gig has a good review, and does it has any orders in queue. And after confirming that, you want to highlight the link just before this question mark, and take a copy of the link. Then you'll come back to the affiliate dashboard, you'll click here on Deep Link. So as you can see, enter the link of the page you would like to promote, and we have already copied the page, we just want to paste it here, and click on Save. So you can see that all the links have been changed. Now whatever plan you promote, it will send traffic to this page. So take a copy of the link, then open a blank notepad, and just store the link just like this. So off screen I'm going to generate other service links in the same way. So after generating all the links, go to your Gmail account, click on Compose, and write the message something like this. So you can generate a similar message with ChatGPT, or just use this exact message. As you can see we have a click here text with each service, so you want to highlight the click here. Then click on this link icon, copy the link of service from Notepad, then paste the link here, and click on OK. Then highlight the next one, click on Insert Link, copy the link of the service, paste it here, and click on OK. So I have linked other services with my affiliate link. So once your message is ready, obviously you want to send it to a content creator who needs these services. And I'm going to show you how easily you can find their contact. You just want to follow the steps. So first you want to come over to Google and search for Email Hunter Chrome extension. Then click on the first link. Click this Add to Chrome button, then Add extension. So after that you'll come over to this website, which is called Playboard. And once you come over to this website, you want to search the keyword here. Let's say we want to target tech review channels. So search for it, and hit enter. Then it'll show you all the channel lists on that keyword. Now you just want to click on that extension. And check this out guys, we're getting their email addresses. But make sure you target small channels. Targeting big channels will be a waste of time. You don't want to target someone who doesn't need any of our services. Like Mr. Beast, this is one of the most watched channels on YouTube. Obviously they won't open your email. You see how big is this channel? They already doing the best thumbnails and quality edited videos. So you have to target those creators who have fewer subscribers, getting fewer views, and don't have any good thumbnails. So after collecting the address, you want to write here the subject. And the subject is crucial for getting your email noticed by the recipient. So you want to write something like, boost your content with these expert services. You want to write something interesting, or you can get help from ChatGPT. And after that you just want to hit send. So I recommend you to use an email marketing tool like System-A for professional email marketing. If you're interested, I'll leave a mini course link about System-A in the description below, and you can check that out. And make sure to drop a simple like to this video, and subscribe to my channel with the notification turned on. And I'll see you soon.